good.
So just came in from shoveling and show you a little bit of the interior on a snowy day. And here's our new green kitchen. Oh, and the porch just finished yesterday. And there's the window with the snowy day outside. And Owen, you recognize that building, I think, and the old keys. All right. And our new countertops, which we had recently, and sink. And the view through the window into the dining room. And there you see Nana looking out the back. And she's keeping an eye on the birds. So all of our bird feeders are out there. And we've got all the bird feeders topped up. So let me go and take a look, see what I can see through the window. There are lots of birds. They have to eat even when it's cold and snowy. And they're here. I think probably when I came up to the window it scared them whenever the lights are on. They were not on when I was here before. So the wind is blowing pretty good. And there's a goldfinch. Little goldfinch. And these, we have sunflower, black oil sunflower seed in the big cylinder feeder, and suet in the cage, and in that black bag is thistle seed, or Niger seed sometimes called, that the goldfinches like. We have a black bag, and then I have another one right here, which is white. And they sometimes climb all over that. There'll be 5 or 6 or 10. And in the cage right now, there's a wren. That little bird is a Carolina wren. And they didn't used to live so far north, but now they do. And it's good to help them get through the winter. That bird is picking at the suet, and that will keep her or him warm and safe. And we take care of our friends, the birds, throughout the winter. Oh, there are the goldfinches. But you can see the wind is blowing and the snow is snowing. But we will weather the storm. Okay. Our TV and our warm living room and our flowers. Nana always buys tulips in the winter to keep our mood up. And then there are offices upstairs and the fan going, the ceiling fan, and we are doing just fine. And we hope that you're staying cool, just as we're staying warm. See you soon.